Okay, so here we are. It's the 1st of February, right, you guys? We'll send this to Grandma Pat and Grandpa Roy. So, I've been pulling these guys in this sled. So you get a sense of, this is the snow we have so far. Let's see, there's our house. You can kind of see the wind blowing. And this is what we have thus far. And the storm that you guys have been hearing about is on its way. This is the first part of it. And it's supposed to be blizzard-like conditions until tomorrow around noonish. So they've already canceled school. And we're outside playing, sort of celebrating. So, say hello. Megan, Ruby, Sky. Okay. Back to pulling. See you guys.